What's up, guys?
How you doing? Sorry.
Reese and Ross here once again. This time it's not a Minecraft video, as you can see from the gameplay in the background.
Unless Minecraft took a massive pimping into, fault destruction and 3D effects and sick graphics, but no.
Yeah, this is Ratchet and Clank, A Cracking Time. This is me playing earlier, quick little, got hit there, but
yeah.
The purpose of this video is to just sort of give you a quick update on how everything's going and some new videos we're going to be uploading. As you can see, Ratchet and Clank in the background is there for no reason. Well, is there for a reason, shall I say?
Yeah,
we're going to upload upload videos throughout upon the Ratchet and Clank series. So like,
so much excitement!
Tools of Destruction and Cracking Time, the latest game, which is the HD trilogy,
which involves Ratchet and Clank and Ratchet and Clank 2 and Ratchet and Clank 3. I don't know what the names are.
They are good. I've played them already. That game, and the quality of them is so good. They've obviously been revamped, haven't they, to HD and stuff.
Yeah,
but they're really good.
Like pimped out, basically.
Yeah, that's it really. Yeah. So as you can see,
enjoy the fallen footage. No, don't enjoy it.
Don't enjoy it.
It's not very good. Save points and a lot of faults.
Yeah,
that's pretty much the game is.
Yeah, the reason why we wanted to do this is because it's very action packed. Not a lot of, not many people
so
do
over exaggerated, and it's just funny as hell. Look, right now we've got ready for it. Are you ready for it? Super Disco Death Fest?
Yeah.
What?
Not many people do Ratchet and Clank videos, so we thought, why not?
Let's fill that hole in the internet.
Yeah. Oh god, I hate sniper on this game. Oh, look.
Look at Reese camping up the top of the stairs.
Look, I'm getting pushed. Look.
No, you weren't.
Watch slowly.
You're lying.
Look, I'm getting pushed by him.
Oh, that little faggot.
He got in my way.
That little blue faggot with a staff.
Yeah, him. Yeah, a staff.
A staff? What do you think it is?
Yeah, we just love this game.
It's not a very long
and we're
gun
like,
that you hold
we're sort of both grown up playing it.
I'm sliding up the chair, I'm like...
We're sort of both grown up. It's Fred. Do you like Fred?
Fred is an alien, a green alien that comes out of a black hole.
Yeah. Moving on. Yeah.
I just got an eye that's round.
Okay, sure.
Yeah,
that's it really. Cheers for watching once again. Make sure you leave comments below.
If you don't, we'll slap you. Not really.
If you do, we'll give you a cookie. I mean, come on.
You earn a cookie from the Cookie Monster. You may eat your cookie if you can get it, so it will be a crumb.
Okay, well,
what am I talking about?
See you later, guys.
I'm gonna go get some food, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching.